Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of JV's Garage. Quickly before we hop into it, what do you guys think? Should I start some merch going, or would you guys be interested in some shirts and some hats and stuff like that? Let me know in the comment section below. All right, guys, let's hop right in. So today we're doing some pretty decent upgrades for the Mustang. We're talking suspension, we're talking rubber. As we can see over here, we've got some new rubber. They are smaller. I will admit they are smaller, but I'm not going to dump a bunch of money into rubber for this. I'm going to go 5 lug eventually. I'm going to go 17s instead of the factory 16s. So I'm not dumping huge money into that. But I need rubber. We're taking this car to Arizona in 2 weeks. And like my rust, that ain't going to cut it. So what do we have here? We've got Firestone Indy 500s, Firehawk Indy 500s, 225 50 16s. We've got 245 50 16s on the car right now. We're going to lose a little ride height, but if these tires hook up, it should run a little harder. Fantastic. And what else are we talking here? We're talking some upper and lower rear control arms. See if we can plant the rear end. Check out this video I shot yesterday. Well, we don't get traction. Bald tires, of course, keep that in mind, but all of first gear is a write-off and half a second gear is a write-off. So if we can get the rear end planted, if we can get these tires to hook, it should be a good time. I will also mention, guys, this car, I don't remember it running like this. It's been impressing me like big time. I used to think this thing was a dog, but I don't know. My mind has been changed. All right, everyone, it's a couple hours later. We have upper and lower control arms installed. The last thing we have to do is tuck that exhaust up. FYI, everyone who complains about, let's get under here, these front lower control arm bolts, just drop your exhaust at your H-pipe. Don't remove your tailpipes. Don't do any of that crap. You drop they're called starter tubes. That gives you plenty of room to get a breaker bar in there with a deep extension, a deep socket, 18 mil, and you're done. Like, removing the old stuff was super easy. Getting these new ones on, not so much. Everything's tight. All these bushings are tight. So I have hope. I have hope that this is going to go well. We've got the new rubber mounted. So let's get it back together and take it for a test drive. And one more thing before we get all buttoned up before our test drive here is I am now discovering you cannot use the factory sway bar with this rear end or these control arms. Reason being, the angle of them and how low they sit compared to the factory ones puts the sway bar way below the pumpkin. So it'd be lower than my exhaust, and my exhaust already scrapes on shit. So we're gonna rock her naked. We're going commando, no sway bar. I'll figure something out. I'll get another one some other time or whatever, but we'll see how it drives without it. And if I can live with it, I can live with it. I'm sure it'll be a little bit more comfortable. So, yeah, let's get this exhaust put back on and let's go. All right, guys, maiden voyage here with the new upper lower rear control arms and new tires. We're just gonna take it easy. It's actually pretty cold. These tires do not like cold. So far, so good. The car's driving really, really smooth. So, yeah, sit back and enjoy, guys.
right, guys. Yeah, this car feels phenomenal. It's never... I'm sorry. This car, I've never had such confidence with in my entire life. And we don't have a rear sway bar. I'm so happy with these parts. $140 for the upper and lower rear control arms. And truth be told, guys, I got these tires for free. So $113 to get them mounted and balanced today. Guys, this is awesome. Like, yeah, I've had this car for 10 years and I'm only just starting to really, really appreciate this car. I've taken this car for granted for so unbelievably long. It's, guys, I feel like an idiot. I hardly put anything into this car. Factory E7 heads that I ported, crane valve springs, sorry. Scorpion 1.7 roller rockers, factory cam. And this thing pulls all the way. Guys, this car's never run like this. I don't know what the deal is, but after its 3.5 year long nap, I love this car. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. There's so much more to come. So much more. I hope I earned your subscription today. I'd really appreciate you guys liking and commenting. Tell me what you guys want to see from this channel. Tell me what you guys want to see from this car. What's next? I have things in mind. I want to start doing some merch if you guys are interested in merch. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna stop talking, shut the fuck up, and enjoy my car. Thanks for watching, guys. And I also, I said I would shut the fuck up. Thank you so much. By the time this is posted, we're gonna be at 4,000 subscribers. I'm just an idiot, and you guys are sitting here listening to me ramble and drive and work on crap. I never thought this would happen, guys, so thank you so much. I can't imagine where you guys are gonna take me. This is a growing channel. We're gonna do this together. Comment, let me know what you want to see. I'll try and do my best for you guys to get what you guys want. Keep in mind though, I have, you know, a preference as to what and where and how, so keep that in mind. But guys, again, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.